Here are some great new ways to make your next project easier, or maybe help when it comes to fixing one of your current workshop problems. The first, a broken handle for the hammer. It's a little worn on the top and the hammer head is a bit loose. Well, here's a great way to put one of those on. Get it back inside the hammer head. Drill a hole in it, lay down a washer that covers that opening on the top, and then bolt it into place. Next up, a battery with terminal issues. That one, worn down, maybe snapped off. So, in a separate container, some molten metal, that is, metal to start, that's then melted down and carefully poured in on top of the terminal. Some water quickly poured in to cool it down, then that mold removed, and what's left, a nice tall battery terminal. Here are some really simple wood grips for your vise. Measure the size, the dimensions of the current metal grips on either side, and then cut 2 pieces of wood to size. Rather than actually attaching it and having to remove those metal grips or teeth, just carve out some holes and hammer some magnets into these 2 pieces of scrap wood. They snap into place, and now you don't have to be worried about damaging whatever you're working on with hard metal surfaces. Next up, a really cool, easy design for a wire stripper. A utility knife blade, a couple of screws and washers, and a piece of wood. Speaking of wood, check out this small piece. It's a dowel that doesn't fit in the end of this shelf. No problem. Lay a screw in face up and hammer the dowel down on top of it. That's not going anywhere. And finally, if you need help cleaning up some rusty old pipe, well, guess what? Some rusty pipe is exactly what you need to fix the problem. So first, half of one cut away, and then 2 strips will be welded into place, equal lengths, one on either side. And down the center of each, that strip cut away. Those grooves will make it adjustable in the end. Now to get them attached to that original half pipe. A few quick welds, and this is just about done. Another plate needs to be welded to the base of the curve. Right there. Attached. The whole thing could be cleaned up, but you know what? The point of the tool is to clean other pipes, so let's see how it works. Now attached to the angle grinder in those 2 adjustable grooves. Locked in, time to get it in a vise. Turn on the angle grinder and get to work with the wire brush. Another super handy solution, thanks to Mr. Sunny.